Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you enable your smart suggestion or the reply suggestion into your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in case if you don't have that much of time to write a whole message, the AI of Google Chat will create an automated message for you. Now, in order to enable that feature, you just simply have to go over 3 bars and tap to settings. And now, after going to settings, you will get this option of smart reply. And if you enable this smart reply, it will show suggested replies on your mobile when available. Means, if you get any of the chat into the available languages, the Google's AI will automatically create a suitable reply and you can choose and send the reply. Now, in order to enable this feature, tap to the toggle and enable it. This way, you can easily enable the reply suggestions or smart reply feature. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching it.